everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you choosing a CRM system for your business between Zoho CRM and HubSpot, watching countless videos and still not able to make a right decision? Well, this video is just for you. But this is not just an ordinary comparison. It is a comparison of new releases, of new features of both of the CRM systems, so you can see which one evolves better, faster, is more scalable, and also is on track with this fast-paced world. Because technologies nowadays need to evolve fast because everything around is evolving fast. So before I begin this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button not to miss any useful information that we share here every single week. And now let's get on into the video. So obviously I want to compare all of the latest features that have been released in the last 6 months, so it will be a fair comparison, and I will mostly focus on AI and some new releases, not only AI obviously, but some new releases of features. We will see what features each of the CRM systems released in different categories, and also make a comparison to learn if the features that they released as new are already in another software available. So let's dive into the video and let's start from obviously AI features. And let's see what AI features Zoho has released in the last 6 months. So Zoho has expanded ZIA AI capabilities, including lead scoring improvements and sentiment analysis and workflow automation powered by AI decisions. Also, Zoho now supports multiple LLMs like Gemini, Claude, and Cohere, and also has AI integrated into forecasting, recommendations, and anomaly detection. And a native AI is included in higher plans. And now moving on to HubSpot. So HubSpot has launched Breeze AI ecosystem, including AI agents for contact, prospecting, customer, and knowledge base. Also AI copilots like Breeze assistants for email writing, summaries, CRM insights. Also, AI is embedded into workflows via Ask Breeze actions, and there's data enrichment via Breeze intelligence. So as you can see, both of the CRM systems released very useful AI features, but now it's time to make a comparison.
Can't decide which CRM to go with? Follow the link below in the description. Take a short quiz and find the perfect CRM for your business in just few minutes.
So as you can see, HubSpot leads in AI usability and agents, but Zoho wins in AI flexibility, cost efficiency, and deeper system integration. And the biggest advantage of Zoho and the biggest update is the multi-LLM support, and its biggest advantage. Moving on to the second category, which is automation, and it is very big and important one. And now let's see what automation features Zoho CRM has released. So Zoho CRM updates include enhanced blueprint automation for process driven workflows, improved conditional logic and advanced triggers, automation across full Zoho ecosystem, and strong backend logic customization. Moving on to HubSpot and seeing these new features in HubSpot. So HubSpot has redesigned Workflow Builder for simpler setup, improved AI assistant workflows with Breeze integration, and now has better campaign automation and sequencing. And obviously, let's make a comparison. So as you can see from comparison, HubSpot is in general easier and it is easier to set up automations, but Zoho is far more powerful and scalable while keeping a user-friendly interface. Now let's move on to data and architecture and see new features in Zoho CRM. So after the latest updates, Zoho CRM now has advanced dashboards and real-time analytics, strong data unification across Zoho ecosystem, expansion of connectors like 90+ via data prep, and custom KPIs and visualization improvements. Now let's move on to HubSpot and see new features in this category that have been released in the last 6 months. So HubSpot has improved data governance controls with permissions and merging. It now has new data hub evolution with unified data layer and AI-driven data enrichment and insights. And as always, it's time for comparison. So as you can see, HubSpot leads in data cleanliness and enrichment, while Zoho wins in custom analytics and ecosystem level data control. And now it's time to move to the revenue features and see what new features Zoho CRM has released. So Zoho has enhanced forecasting models with AI-driven predictions via ZIA, improved territory management and quota tracking, advanced pipeline customizations for multi-stage and multi-team pipelines, has now strong alignments with Zoho Books, subscriptions, and finance tools, and has a deeper revenue visibility across the entire customer lifecycle. Moving on to HubSpot and seeing your features in there. So HubSpot has expanded Revenue Operations Hub capabilities, improved forecasting tools with better UI and collaboration, has real-time pipeline tracking across teams, revenue analytics dashboards with AI insights, and strong alignment with Sales Hub and Marketing Hub. And now let's make a comparison. So as you can see from this comparison, HubSpot is more accessible for RevOps teams just getting started, but Zoho delivers more control and depth, especially for complex sales organizations. So as you can see, Zoho and HubSpot both release very useful features. Every single month they're working on their software, and the question is which one is better. And I would say that if better for you means speed and usability, then HubSpot is leading and is better. But if better means for you flexibility and scalability, I would say that Zoho leads in this one. So basically, I would say that HubSpot is trying to keep up releasing a lot of new features, but Zoho takes a bit more time to release the features that will be very useful and a bit more comprehensive and with deeper architecture. So I don't know which one you prefer. I would prefer Zoho, and that's why we prefer Zoho in our company, because we are valuing quality over speed, even in this very fast-paced world. And also, to be honest, Zoho has a great speed nonetheless. But you can decide for yourself judging from this comparison. And I would love to hear your feedback in the comments down below. In the comments down below, you can also ask any questions, or you can book a free consultation with one of our experts by the link down below in the description box to ask any questions about Zoho implementation, customization, development, or integration. And also, if you want a project with us, and our team will provide you an accurate estimate very fast. So if you're interested in that, please make sure to book a free consultation by the link down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that it was helpful for you, and I will see you in the next week's video.